For shoulder flexion and extension, patient position, supine lying, therapist position, work standing on exercising side. Hand placement for shoulder flexion, for short lever arm, anterior aspect of distal arm, for long lever arm, anterior aspect of distal forearm. Hand placement for shoulder extension, for short lever arm, posterior aspect of distal arm, for long lever arm, posterior aspect of distal forearm. Other hand can use for the stabilization of elbow. Direction of resistance opposite to the movement. Command to the patient, તમારા હાથને ખભામાંથી સીધો ઉપરની તરફ લઈ જાઓ.
For shoulder abduction and adduction, patient position supine lying with elbow 90 degree flexion, therapist position, walk standing on exercising side, hand placement and resistance. Lateral aspect of arm for adduction, medial aspect of arm, direction of resistance, opposite to the movement, instruction to the patient, તમારો હાથ ખભામાંથી બહાર તરફ લઈ જાઓ. For adduction, તમારો હાથ ખભામાંથી અંદરની તરફ લઈ આવો. For the shoulder hyperextension, patient position side lying, therapist position walk standing on exercising, and one hand used for the stabilization of scapula. Instruction for the patient, તમારો હાથ ખભામાંથી પાછળની તરફ લઈ આવો. Other for shoulder hyperextension, patient position prone lying, therapist position walk standing on exercising side, one hand used for the stabilization of scapula. Instruction for the patient, તમારો હાથ ખભામાંથી પાછળની તરફ ઉપર લઈ જાઓ. ઉપરની તરફ લઈ આવો. Internal and external rotation. A patient position, supine lying, therapist position, walk standing on exercising side, hand placement and resistance. Flex elbow to 90 degree and position shoulder midway between full adduction and 90 degree abduction. Can be placed under the distal arm to approach the plane of scapula. Resistance to distal forearm in opposite direction of the movement. For instruction for the patient, તમારો હાથ ખભામાં અંદરની તરફ લઈ જાઓ. For external rotation, તમારો હાથ ખભામાંથી બહારની તરફ લઈ જાઓ. For shoulder horizontal abduction, patient position prone lying with shoulder 90 degree abducted and elbow 90 degree flexed. Therapist position walk standing on exercising side, hand placement and resistance. One hand used for stabilization of scapula. Resistance to the distal arm just above the elbow. Instruction to the patient, તમારો હાથ ખભામાંથી ઉપરની તરફ. For shoulder horizontal adduction, patient position supine lying with shoulder 90 degree abduction. Therapist position walk standing on exercising side, hand placement and resistance. Resistance to distal arm just above elbow. Direction of resistance is opposite to the movement. Instruction for the patient, તમારો હાથ બીજા ખભાને અડાડો. લેજો. elevation and depression of scapula, patient position sitting, therapist position straight standing behind the patient, hand placement and resistance. Apply resistance along the superior aspect of the shoulder girdle just above the clavicle during scapular elevation. Instruction: તમારા ખભાને કાન તરફ લઈ જાઓ. For scapular depression, hand placement and resistance. Apply resistance to the patient. Attempt to reach down towards the foot and push the hand into the therapist's hands. Resisted exercise for scapular protraction and retraction. Patient position sitting with hand behind the head. Stabilization of trunk by the pillow. Therapist position straight standing behind the hand placement and resistance. For protraction, apply resistance over anterior aspect of elbow. For retraction, apply resistance over posterior aspect of elbow. Direction of resistance opposite to the movement. Instruction for the protraction: તમારા હાથની કોણીઓને આગળની તરફ અડાડો. For retraction, તમારા બંને હાથને પાછળની તરફ લઈ જાઓ.